Hello families, I wanted to take a moment to share some important information with you about how you can best use your child's ELA interactive notebook to support them at home. You will notice that each child has a notebook and on the side there are tabs. Today I want to focus on the second tab that's called Data. In this section, each student will record case data and star data. This is an important page, page 30, their student data page. Since we haven't taken case or star yet, today I want to focus on their Unit 1 student data page. This is on page 31. At the very top, I have a key. It tells me anything in red is in remediation, which is my weakest area. Anything in yellow is in near mastery, which means I'm almost there but need more practice. And then anything in green says I'm an expert and I could teach it. I know that's hard to see in this video, but you'll be able to see it closer when you're looking at your child's interactive notebook. In the first column of the chart, we have what standards will be taught in this unit. This tells you what will be on the coming test. So on the post-test, students will be answering questions with evidence from the text. You'll notice that's here for make-believe text and here for informational text. They will also be learning about vocabulary words they see when reading make-believe and informational text. And then they'll be learning about what do we do when we come to a word we do not know, which we call context clues. In this column, this is where we find each student's data. So I'm noticing that this student is in red, or remediation, in answering questions when reading make-believe text. This tells me this student needs the most practice, since red means it's their weakest area. You'll notice that data is different based on each standard. So this student is stronger in vocabulary. I know that because their color is yellow, which means they're almost there, but they need a little bit more practice. And this student has already mastered context clues. This is an important column because it tells students how they should spend their time, what they should spend the most time studying or practicing. This also tells me how I can help your child best. So this tells me on days that we're learning about standards your child might be red in, these are days that I need to meet with them to try to meet their needs. You will also notice at the bottom, we have some important numbers or data. In the first box, students are asked to write their score. Remember, this score does not go in the grade book. Then they're asked to set a goal. This means that what they would like to score when they take their post-test. The last two squares we will fill in when we take our post-test. This is a way that students record their score as well as determine how many points they grow from their pre-test to their post-test. At the very bottom, you have an opportunity to sign your student data. This is at the pre-test, which will be after today, and then the post-test after the end of the unit, which you will find that date on the August calendar. Students who get this signed earn dojo. Page 31 in our student data section is an important guide to help students know what is valuable, what will be tested, and how they can grow the most. You'll be receiving more videos from me in the near future about the other sections, but I wanted to start with this one today. Please let me know if you have any questions. I'll do all I can to help.